everybody, I just wanted to do a really quick video on the m.a.d art gallery to show you how simple it can actually be. So we had our variety show today and everyone did their skits and it was adorable. We had a wonderful time, and so just kind of off to the side, every student who wanted to submitted a piece of artwork, and a couple of students submitted things that were jewelry for sale, and then we had a 3D costume submission and a couple paintings and a robotics project, and then also kind of like a sculptural project from another kid. So but basically they all gave them to us. Then I printed out just little cards. That is what they do at an art gallery, just really simple, their name and the medium and the title, just whatever that student wanted to have put. It is amazing and it's so adorable how proud they are. All the grandparents are there taking pictures. This does not have to be a complicated thing to produce some pretty fantastic results, because you want to give kids a reason and a way to show their hobbies and the things they're doing. So I really encourage you to, if you don't want to do this, to find someone, an adult in your club who's willing to run it, because this is such a simple way to share the artistic things that all these kids are good at. m.a.d Society Art Gallery. We've got
a Rubik's Cube solver.
Yeah.
Dude. Now even tells you to take it out and put it
jewelry,
back in.
some fine art, talent, some armor. Look at that.
You can either mix it up yourself or you can make it mix it for you.
We've got some m.a.d art. Absolutely stunning. Good job, Kinsley.
1, 2, 3, let's go!